Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. The trim that separates the lid from the base of the trunk has a tongue and groove joint. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the groove portion of that trim. Start by removing the two trim brackets. There's two screws holding each trim bracket on. You're going to want to save those screws and the trim bracket, so go ahead and just set those off to the side for now. Once your trim brackets are off, you can remove these corner clips. Those should just pull off by hand. Set those to the side. You're going to reattach those. Okay, using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to pry off that piece of groove trim and take our new trim piece. We're going to hook the inside, which is the wood side of the trunk, and then we're going to pull this over to the metal or outside of the trunk. And then we just press down and work our way across until it's secure. Put our corner clips back in place, and then we just have to reattach our trim brackets. And there we go.